Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, 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 yo. I see no boogie Jesus. I can't I see no boogie Jehovah. I can't I see no boogie Jesus. If no be Jesus, if no be Jesus, yeah. I say no more Jesus. Jesus. Everything I have today is just because of you. I say no more At this moment I've come to praise you, Papa. You have done so well for me. Like joke, I am 40 years today, oh Lord. The doctor said I'm gone so many years ago. A problem. Bakutegi eze no bottom. We go see Jiburuchi. Evangel come, give a problem Ewazuga gichina warrior. Anu manu akari kogonu kasava na wadoe na ilimo. No because I'm holy, no because say I am strong, but by the mercies of God I am alive today. Happy birthday to me. I see no boogie Jesus. I can't be able to let I see no boogie Jehovah. I can't be able to let happy birthday to me. Many more years to myself. And I will never know better yesterday. 2015. Yes, if I get but in the midst of that storm, you were there with me. It's in a mobile poison. Opa give me poison. Ya Opa go to Rwanda. Life begins at 40. A fool at 40 is a fool forever. But thy wisdom that has given to me, Jehovah, I am very, very grateful. I am very, very grateful. Papa, I see no boogie Jesus. You